How to fix Marine Aquarium for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Marine Aquarium on a Mac, you can follow these steps. Quit the Marine Aquarium screensaver if it is currently running. Open the Applications folder and navigate to the Marine Aquarium folder. Double-click on the Uninstall Marine Aquarium file and follow the prompts to uninstall the application. Alternatively, you can Marine Aquarium on a Mac. Here is a sample script file that you can use. #bin/bash. #uninstall Marine Aquarium. #stop Marine Aquarium processes. Killall Marine /aquarium 2/dev/null. #remove Marine Aquarium and its files. rmrf/library/screen /saver /marine /aquarium /3.saver rmrf/library /application /support /marine /aquarium /3 rmrf/library /preferences /com Marine Aquarium 3.list. Save the script file with a.sh extension, example uninstall_marineaquarium.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_marineaquarium.sh. Then, you can run the script file by navigating to its directory in terminal and running the following command, /uninstall_marineaquarium.sh. Note that the script will delete all Marine Aquarium files and settings, so make sure to back up any important data before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.